morning, maayong buntag mga inday ug sa mga indoy dyan bayan. Kuan kanang no gi-challenge ako ni VAL dayon yung yung ignoring my husband. So I'm going to try today kasi wala si Sofia, kaalis lang. So magluluto na ako ng breakfast and agang-aga ha. Nagsuklay ako ng hair, naglagay ako ng eyebrows. And then, naghilamos ako, nag-toothbrush ako, and, tiyarang, nag-dress ako. Para tignan natin kung ma-try natin ma-ignore si Bana or gusto ba niya ng pansinin ko siya today. So, mag-start na ako kasi natin na niya si Sofia. Okay, good luck sa akin. Sana mag-click to. Sana mag-click kasi matagal ko na siyang hindi ginagawa ito. Kasi dati, nung bago pa kami, palagi kong ginagawa. Parang Filipino style siya, Pinoy style na pag masama yung loob mo, hindi mo napansinin ka agad, mangluod na ka. Tapos, pag may gusto ka na hindi or may narinig ka na nasaktan ka o na upset ka kasi bago pa lang kayo, ayun, i-ignore mo na siya. Pero along the way, through the years, hindi ko na siya ginagawa. Kasi si Bana dati, grabe yung reaction niya pag hindi ko siya pinapansin. As in, so ngayon, titignan talaga natin. I'm going to try my best na ma-achieve itong challenge na to. So, wala akong sinabi ha. Wala akong sinabi sa kanya na may ganitong challenge. So, titignan natin. So, fingers crossed.
A few moments later.
Huh? Broken. Masih pa. You see the belly thing? Can you lower the TV, please?
No. I'm watching TV. Take you to a counsellor.
Why?
Teach you the integrity of priority.
Nagreklamo na siya. Akala niya, serve ko siya ng breakfast. Why are you smiling? I'm busy.
I see that. It's a good start around here.
Yeah, you have 2 hands, man. I need to edit this one.
Breakfast first, then edit. Then do what you want. Tony Premier?
not finished.
You finished it. Did you get that? Or was it not recording? Love you, sweetheart.
Don't disturb me.
I'm not disturbing you. If I want to disturb you, I'll be on top of you. Mahal kita asawa.
Don't disturb me, please. I'm concentrating. Why are you touching me?
Because you're ignoring me.
I'm ignoring you. I'm not ignoring you.
You are ignoring me. I said I love you twice and you haven't answered me yet.
I don't want to answer you. I'm busy. Sa mukha eh.
Can we record?
No!
Can we record?
No, it's not recorded.
That's what I said. Can we record?
No, I don't want to record it.
Because you.
No!
You're
I don't want to record it. Don't want. Agay! I don't want. Uy, I will record this one. No. I will record this. Sige. What are you looking at there? What's that? Dancing. I will record.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Sa mga! Nah.
So you're on the phone. I'm not recording anyway.
Yeah, I'm not recording it.
Huh?
I'm not recording.
No, so why are you holding your phone as if you are?
I was ignoring you.
Yes.
And then, stop.
No.
Come here.
No.
I'll record this one. Dada!
No.
I'll follow you. Dada!
No.
I'll record sabi. Let's... Dada!
Oh, I thought you were going to come record.
Yeah, wait. I'm coming. Going to get the other phone. Where are you? Oh, there.
Not with you. Did you get that?
What? You
No, did you record that?
No, I did
Where
not.
are you? Not with you. Leave my labot out of it.
That one was recorded.
Yeah, millions of views for that one. Cute labot.
You think so? Is it a grandpa lubot?
Hey. She loves ignoring people. You're not recording.
Oh, I'm not recording. I'll record this. Okay. Were you ignored?
Totally ignored.
I'll turn this on. That's what is yeah, that's working.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the ignoring person day today. She's ignoring me. She's too busy going.
Really? Were you, Dada?
I said I love you twice, and did she answer back? No.
Dada, it's
Says don't ignore. Don't. What was that?
to disturb me.
Don't disturb me. I'm busy.
I did not prepare the breakfast.
Yeah. I took our daughter to the up van, coming back to expect to have breakfast together with my wife. No, what did I see?
Hoy, I did it on purpose.
No, you didn't.
I did it on purpose.
You do it. You don't do it on purpose. You just do it anyway.
No, I did it on purpose. Why?
She loves ignoring me, and she loves ignoring our daughter when she's crying.
No,
Because
no.
she's too busy going.
Hoy, listen. That one, I did it for the challenge. Die VAL Family Ritsma challenge as ignoring my husband prank. It's a prank, Dada.
Get out. Today, we're going to look at
Dada.
my hobby.
Dada,
Yes.
Dada, it's a
See?
prank.
See, now I'm ignoring her.
You're
now.
a prank.
I'm ignoring her now, so
Asa mo ka kay
don't listen to her. She's not here. She's not
So,
here.
sa mukha kay oy. You're prank.
No pranks allowed in this house.
It's from Weeby and Val. They just yesterday they give me a prank.
You wasn't recording anyway.
It was recorded.
Show me.
So it's a prank, Dada.
This is the last vlog you will hear from Etienne, because she will no longer be alive. That's twice she's got me now.
Twice.
Third
So
time.
so the Family Ritsma challenge accepted.
And done.
So we're going to shout out some people.
No, she is. I'm not saying a word. Mm-mm.
Okay. Shout out to Lee and Iya's vlogs. It's her birthday on Saturday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sisi. Shout out to Dubai Nori Vlog, to Cheryl Melendres Ocotorena. Sabi niya na-enjoy daw siya sa TikTok namin mag-asawa, and watching Sophia and Ban as well. So she said she was enjoying watching you.
I can't read it anyway because I don't have my glasses.
So she's from Tagum City. Shout out sa mga taga Davao dyan. And always, Ma'am Susan, thank you. Shout out to Miss LVA, and shout out to Nes Clem Engineer. Thank you. See you again pag makauwi kami. So that's all for now, guys.
Huh? Say after me. Exact words.
Okay.
I love you, sweetheart.
I love you, sweetheart.
I will never prank you again.
No, I can't.
Huh?
No.
I will never prank you again.
No.
I'll never prank you again.
No.
Because you'll be the last one if you do.
No.
So, you heard it. She's not going to say it. So, this is the last
No.
time you will hear from Etienne. Because she will not longer be around.
Okay na, let's close the vlog. Okay, thank you for watching.
No more pranks in this household allowed.
Sa mga
Okay.
gustong magpa-shout out, please comment down below so we can shout out your names and
In English, please.
in English daw para mabasa din daw niya. So he prefers in English para mabasa daw niya yung
Because I
mga
don't
comments.
understand her. She's
Wala daw
saying.
siyang maintindihan. So Sophia is not here, nasa upfang siya, kaya nagawa ko yung prank. So now I'm going to eat breakfast alone.
Too late because I've had mine.
Yeah, so yun guys. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And
Oh, it's our channel now.
yeah, it's our channel.
So she
Okay.
needs to change her name.
No! Okay, bye guys!
Bye-bye.
Bye!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지